You have probably heard this a million times, and that is, if you want to get rich with crypto, you got to invest in the bear market. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, some free stocks, and a great way to save some money on your car insurance. As you guys know, the entire crypto market is crashing right now. Bitcoin is barely hanging on to 30,000. Ethereum is barely hanging on to 2,000. All the altcoins are down 20, 30, some even 50%. And all the crypto influencers are telling you, if you want to get rich, you have to invest during the bear market. But if you have been invested in the market over the last 6 months, chances are you're down big time and you do not have any money left in order to invest in the bear market. Guys, if you really want to become rich in the bear market, you have to increase your income. For a lot of you guys, that means putting in some overtime hours at your job, getting a part-time job, starting a side hustle, doing whatever you can in order to increase your income. Once you increase your income, you will have more disposable money that you can invest into crypto. Keep in mind, bear markets in crypto last between a year to 3 years. So you will have plenty of time to jump in and scoop up some of your favorite low cap gems in order to make massive returns once the next bull run comes. If you don't have income, you're not going to be able to buy. Also, remember to take some profits. Once the bear market is fully here, you're going to need all the money that you can get so you can buy low and sell high later on. A lot of people are saying that 28,000 is the bottom for Bitcoin. 2,000 is the bottom for Ethereum. Alts cannot go any lower, but in reality, crypto can go even lower. Bitcoin can easily go down to 24,000. 20,000, and worst case scenario, it can go as low as $13,000. And if you are fully invested, your portfolio will be down big time. So if you have profits, consider taking them. Start stacking up on cash and stablecoin. Watch out for USDT. Risky in my opinion. I do believe the best time to get rich in crypto is in the bear market, but that is only if you have cash, if you have reserves in order to buy once the prices are extremely cheap. If you don't have money to buy, you're just going to be sitting and waiting. So increase your income, create a plan to dollar cost average into crypto, and then just wait it out and the gains will come. All right, everybody, that is all I have for you today. Start looking for ways to increase your income. And as always, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Peace out.